Okay, today is day 65, Tuesday, May the 4th be with you. That's Stanimal's Hostel behind me. We got Krash the Kid, Captain Jack, Denim Dan, bachelor party, and just getting ready to head out. We're loading up. It's 9:45. We're getting back on trail. We're looking to hike. I think it's a 20.8 mile day to Black Rock Hut, or Black, yeah, I think it's something like that. So got up this morning, packed the stuff, finished loading everything. You know, I slept in the closet on a mat with my sleeping bag. Had an orange, some cupcakes and stuff this morning, a cup of glass of milk, a Gatorade, and now we're getting ready to head out. So it's supposed to be a beautiful day, 84 degrees, it's a nice breeze. Should be an easy hike today, not much elevation, so stick around, we're hiking on.
Hey, look, you came back. You came back.
Wants to go with us.
We're leaving Rockfish Gap. It's 10 of 11. Me, Krash, Hot Hands. The kid's going up ahead. He's jumping a section to be with his trail wife. We tried talking. He took 3 zeros, the kid, at Waynesboro, just to hang out with us. But yeah, we're crossing a bridge. It's supposed to be a high 84 today. Looking to do 20.8 miles. We'll see where we end up. Stick around, we're hiking on. you a little look at the trail here. So we're in the Shenandoah National Park hiking. I think it's like 107 miles long. This is where everybody says if you're going to see a bear, probably be in here. So keep your eyes open. I just want to mention, I don't know if I said about yesterday, took the Zero and we went to Chinese buffet. Ate there. Ate at Scotto's the day before, and McDonald's there in the morning when we got into town. And yesterday we had to run to Walmart, so Krash decided to buy some food for everybody, and we'd all pitch in and cook it. So we had New York strips, you had a top round, shrimp, potatoes, asparagus, broccoli, mac and cheese, mushrooms, onions, salad, and I'm sure I'm missing some other stuff, man. We had quite the spread, and you'll see some of the pictures. We invited Boots up because he'd been hiking with us on and off, and he finally caught up. Yeah, it was good. We're hiking to the first shelter, which is 7.8. We're gonna stop there and eat a lunch. A lot of rocks. And it's all up and down, up and down, up and down. You gonna stick around? We're hiking on. Okay, that's where we just came from, on that trail. Well, you don't want to go that way. No trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. And we're at a road here, I see. Over here looking for mushrooms. Yeah, I'm not gonna climb up over that one. We got this. All right. Oh, a bunch of yellow birds. Is that Fabe here to meet me? Okay, here we are, McCormick Gap, elevation 2434. Stick around, we're hiking on. Well, it's 1:15, and I'm getting ready to be loaded up on the International Space Station. They're gonna ship me out. Man, if you could only feel the radiation coming off of this, the heat. Walking by this makes me feel like I have cancer. I don't know, man. Yeah, blast me off here in about 15 minutes. Pretty cool. Guys up here pretending like they're working, but they're just hanging out. Not doing much of anything. Yeah, over there laughing. Pretty cool. There's some seats here. Down and take a break. Alright, stick around, we're hiking on. Here's a little bit of a view. That's where I came from. Up that mountain's where I'm going to be going. And again, we're coming out to the highway here, or National Park, Shenandoah National Highway, or whatever it's called. Oh, my knee. We're at Beagle Gap, elevation 2490. You even have porta potties. Now what I've been hearing is along this trail there's campsites, tent sites, and there's wayside they call them, where you can buy food, drinks. They used to cook at them, but now it's just microwavable stuff and snacks and drinks. But there's supposedly every couple miles. So you really don't need to carry much food. But of course I do. I got a pile of snacks. Okay. We gotta go up this hill. Stick around. Hiking on. Here we are at the shelter. It's 2:30. You can see there's a bunch of tent sites. More tent sites up in there. Calf Mountain Shelter. Built and maintained by PHTC. Yeah. Nice gutter system. Keep it out of your hair. Alright, well, they have a picnic table inside. Double decker and some skylights. Man, we're styling here. Some old logs stacked on top, dovetailed in. Need a tarp. We got a tarp. WD and sterno, and we can always use meds. Whatever they are. Acetaminophen. That'll give you a good view of the most important part. That's the shedder. It's a moldering privy too, a type of composting toilet. Please do not flush your trash or other garbage down the chute. Thank you for riding the Porcelain Goddess. Stick around. We're hiking on. As you can hear, it's raining in buckets. It's been heavy on and off, windy. It's 20 after 3. I've been sitting here since 2:30. I have no idea where Krash and Hot Hands are. They were behind me. This was our meeting destination for lunch. I have a feeling they got on the road and got a ride or something, or they're in somebody's vehicle. I'm going to sit here and wait this out a little bit. It seems like it's just a passing thunderstorm. So stick around. Still hiking on.